The performance summary page provides a high-level overview of the financial impact that our planned business activities and forecasts from the assumption section have on the business. So this is the culmination or the result of all of those activities in a single page. And right away we can see that there are 4 high-level KPIs right at the top, just so we can get a sense right away of whether our plans or our forecasts are financially viable. And a good example of this is our average customer value, which we see at $20 here. Typically you want to see that at about 3 times higher than your average customer acquisition cost, so that there's enough cushion between the two in order to cover the rest of the costs of running the business and providing goods or services to customers. To the right we have our max burn rate, and this is taken straight from the cash flow statement, and what this is telling us is simply the fastest rate at which we are spending money. So over the 3-year forecast that we have here, the month that we are spending money the fastest is $18,000. And to the right of that, we have a related term, which is total funding needed, also taken from the cash flow statement. And this is the total amount of money we need in order to reach cash flow positivity with everything that we've planned here, again, from the assumptions section. So the total amount of money that we need is a result of this max burn rate. So if we lose money for multiple months on end, that will cut into our bank account a certain amount, and this plan is telling us that $22,000 is that amount. And if we scroll down, we can see we have various tables and other summaries, charts and graphs, some valuation metrics. So if you're comparing multiple projects, for instance, you could see which one has the biggest impact financially on your business, so you can get that apples to apples comparison. And then again, just some further charts and graphs so that you can analyze your financial performance to your heart's desire. And that is the performance summary page.